Well, one of the most anticipated cars from this entire collection is right here on the block right now. 1965 Big Tank Corvette with the fuel injection power plant as well, John.
Killer. And the big tank. So let's start with the significance of that 375 horsepower 327. This was it. It was over with. Last year, the 396 also debuted in 65 and replaced the Fuelie as the top dog. But it's all about that one of 41 that were built, option code N03, and that's the optional big tank. And then you add to that Tuxedo Black, always a value adder on a Corvette. Quality is high, Bloomington Gold, NCRS, all the usual judging protocols have declared this as being top quality, and man, we're going to see big money, guaranteed.
Yeah, teak steering wheel in that car too.
Oh, love that.
Outstanding.
Car well known in the collector circles. Our friend John Justo had it as part of his Corvette collecting passion at one time.
And believe it or not, as cool as that Tuxedo Black is, that is the rarest color among any of the 65s.
Well, a lot of people were skeptical to order black on a Corvette because it's a fiberglass body, and to get it so you don't see kind of the ripples and different imperfections of the fiberglass body versus a steel bodied car, they were reluctant to do it. But I'll say whoever restored and prepped this car, I wouldn't call it sheet metal. It's not. No. That fiberglass is incredibly smooth and straight.
Hours of block sanding, I guarantee you, to get it that way.
190 with the internet out in front of the bidding right now.
You want to give 195. 195.
I think who mentioned this yesterday? This car originally ended up in Peru, right? Did you mention that?
First owner, yeah.
Yeah. Kind of an interesting footnote in its journey.
Yeah. But now it's back here, and I'm very grateful.
200 bid, 205, 205. 200 bid, you want to get 25 bid, you want to get 5 bid, you want to get 205,000. 200 to bid, 205. 200 bid, 205, 200 bid, you want to get 205.
What do you think? That this is going to be it?
205.
I expected it would be somewhat higher, but
210. 205 bid, you want to get
this may be it.
20. 220.
Still creeping up there, Bill.
Oh, late inning lightning.
220 bid, you want to get 20, you want to get 220. I have
another comment now, you know, the Kelsey Hayes knockoff wheels are available reproduction. They look beautiful. But as you had mentioned out on one of your previews, those are the real deal. Those are authentic, period, correct, not the reproduction wheels.
Yeah.
They are very desirable and valuable.
Do what you want. You're going to do it anyway. 220. Oh! 230. 220 bid, you want to get 230. 220 bid, you want to get 225. 235. 235. 235. 230. Now wait a minute. Give 230. That's a good number. 230. Plus, I'm sure I can get more out of him. Give 230. I'm good. 230. I'll tell you what, sir. Give 230 and I won't ask you again. If he bids again, I won't even come back and ask you, okay? That's a deal. Give 230. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, I won't ask you again. 230. 230,000. Anybody else?
Might be out of gas there.
I feel it, Jimmy.
Maybe.
230.
I feel it.
One more time. Just one more. Tonight you're going to wish you would have.
I'm good.
So,
$225,000 after a lot of fun in that bidding battle.
Boy, oh boy, you said it. 225.
Matching numbers 42078, 4-speed. 66 was the first year that the 427 engine was offered in the